Welcome students, this is Chanan Singh Negi. In previous sessions we have solved some problems and we have discussed the permutations, right? The permutations, and today we are going to sort out some problems um, of related to the permutations, right? See, first we will discuss here, this is what is nPr. This nPr we have discussed, this is n factorial upon n minus r factorial, which we have derived in last sessions we have derived. See, this one, this n factorial here, this that means this is n, we have n object, distinct object, and r object have taken at a time. That is r object taken at a times. It must be, this r must be less than equal to n. So that means out of n object, like we have the two chocolates, and from the two chocolates, whether I can pick one chocolate or I can pick two chocolates, right? Out of two chocolates I cannot pick the three chocolates, right? So that means r is less than equal to n. That means the object must be equal to or less than from that number of the object which we are from where we are going to pick this one. So see, oh yeah, we can write this is n is greater than equal to r, right? N is greater than equal to r, or yeah, r is less than equal to n. Both are the same thing. The first thing that is this one. Okay, now the second is what is nPn, right? nPn, what does it mean? So out of n objects, how many objects we are going to pick? This is n object, and from n objects we have n objects, and we are going to choose this n objects. See, before to solve this such problems, just check this one. N object, there's like this is, see, this 1 2 3 dot 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 dot, this is n object. We have n object, that is all are different. This is different distinct object. That one object, nPn, n object, take from n object, from n objects, right? So right, this is that object can be written, that object can be taken from this n object by n ways. So this is, see, which we have, this is dot 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 dot, this one. The first, this first box has been filled, could be filled by the n number of ways. And now if one has been picked and the repetition is not allowed, right? That means if I have picked one chocolate, I cannot pick the same chocolate from that box, because this chocolate has been less now, is not in the box now. So this is n. The next one is n minus 1. This is n minus 1, and dot dot n minus 2, n minus 3 dot dot dot, n minus 3, n minus 2 dot 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 dot. This is n minus 1, right? This is n minus 1. That means it is 2 n into 1. So that is nPn is equal to, we have this is n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 into dot 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 3 into 2 into 1, right? So this is equal to n factorial. So what is nPn? So nPn we have, this is equal to n factorial. So that means out of n object, if I pick n object, then the number of ways is equal to n factorial, right? Now the third concept is, we will discuss the zero factorial. What is zero factorial? This is question mark. Now let's find out what is the zero factorial. Zero factorial, for zero factorial, see this one, right? If I pick n object out of n object, what we get? This is nPn, and by the rules we get this is n factorial divided by n minus r. That means n minus n factorial. So that is equal to n factorial upon 0 factorial, and 0 factorial, it is not equal to 0. Why? Because it is a factorial, right? So we have find out this is 0 factorial, and nPn, which we have understand, this is, we get this one from the previous one, the second one, this is n factorial. So we have n factorial is equal to n factorial upon 0 factorial, and now cross multiply this one, we can write this 1. So this implies that n factorial into 0 factorial is equal to n factorial. And we get this 0 factorial is equal to n factorial upon n factorial, and this is cancel out 1. What we get, that is 0 factorial is equal to 1. How we get this one? That is the 0 factorial is equal to 1, right? Now we can sort out any problems like if like this one, this is if we have this 100 object and we have to pick out of 100 object, that is we have to pick like this is that is very less, we want to pick this one like this is 7, right? This is 100 out of 100 we pick this is 7. This is 100 factorial divided by 100 minus 7 factorial, it must be in bracket. This is 100 factorial divided by 93 factorial, right? So you can leave this answer like this one. This is 100 factorial upon 93 factorial. If you want to solve it further, although you can solve this, this is 100, this has to be break for the little one, right? Well, this is little one is 93 factorials, right? This is 99, this is 98, into 97, into 96, into 95, into 94, into 93 factorial, right? So divided by, we have 90 factorial. Rather than write this 93, 92 into 91 dot 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 3 to 1, or this is 93, it's the move in both cases these two terms has to be cancelled out, right? So see, this is 90 factorial cancel out, so we have this, the answer is 100 into 99 into 98 into 97 into 96 and into 95 into 94, right? So now you can sort out this one. What is the exact answer? Or right, if the question like this one, and for the word problems you can leave the answer in permutations form. Thank you students.